Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to complete the final mystery quest on Caps. So what you want to do is to click on this icon in the middle, as you already know, and then of course you want to go here, you want to click this. Okay, so you click on it, and then what you want to do is to look at this day 5. Under day 5 you click on enter, so what you have now is you have these boxes. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, if your phone is standing vertically like this, okay, so what you want to do is to turn it sideways. And the reason for this is that if you count the letters here, this is a virtual keyboard, by the way, the letters here, if it's standing vertically, the letters here, it won't be complete. Okay, you won't be able to see all the letters completely. So we have 1 2 3 4 5, I think it's supposed to be up to 6. If you scroll, is it up to, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we have 6 letters. It ought to be 7. Okay, 7 letters on the virtual keyboard. So what you want to do is to turn your phone to be on the horizontal axis, that is to lie laterally, okay, not vertically. So let's quickly do that now. Right now my screen is now it's now lying sideways, that is horizontally. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 letters. So the mystery word we are looking for is staking. Okay, so if you look at this small arrow below and the small arrows above, okay, if you tap on them, you can see that the letters are changing. Okay, the letters are changing. So that's what we use to change the letters there. So the first letter we are looking for is S. So that is S. Then we are looking for T. So we already have A here, so we skip. Then we look for K, staking, and then the next one is I, and then the next one is N, and then the next one is G. Okay, G. So staking. So what you want to do is to click on this check sign here. So after you have clicked on the check sign, so what you want to do, which is the missing thing that a lot of people are missing out, is look at the top right hand corner, these 3 dots here. Okay, click on it, and then you will click on reload. Okay, so after you click on reload, then you will see this done. You can see that it has marked done for me. So what you want to do is, okay, after you've input the staking and you click on the check sign, and then you wait, let the counter count down, or the timer, like 15 seconds, let it count to 0, and then you remove that keyboard. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is to reload the page, as I have showed you right here. Okay, and then it will mark it well for you. If it doesn't mark it, if it doesn't show done, then you may probably have to repeat the process. But then I believe that once you've done it and you've reloaded it, it will simply mark it well for you. So that's it, guys. So if you have not joined this airdrop, Caps airdrop, you are really missing out, guys. So I'll link the link at the description section of this video. You can also join us, for quick updates on our Telegram and WhatsApp group. The links are also in the description section below this video. Then, guys, subscribe to this channel. Okay, encourage us, subscribe to this channel. Let's have, let's grow this channel. Let's be encouraged, and also like this video, and also share this video to all your friends so that they won't miss out on this wonderful project. Stay blessed, guys. This is the Easy Earners Club.